With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, I hope you all are doing good. So today our question is like this. In alkyl halides, the carbon atom attached to the halogen atom is dash hybridized. So basically we have to identify the hybridization of the carbon atom attached to the halogen atom in the alkyl halides, and we have to choose and we have to fill the blanks by choosing the correct option from these options we have given in the question, like sp2, sp3. Okay, so let us talk about the hybridization of the carbon atom in the alkyl halide. So let us take an basic alkyl halide like this: CH3Cl, CH3Cl. Now we have to find out the hybridization of carbon in this compound, and this is methyl chloride. This is methyl chloride. So what is the electronic configuration of carbon 6? Carbon have atomic number of 6, so its electronic configuration will be like this: 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. So this is the electronic configuration of the carbon in its ground state. This is in ground state, so its orbital configuration will be like this: 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. It is like this, 2p2. So what happens? To form a molecule, carbon will go in its excited state, and this one s electron will be transferred to the higher orbital, to the p orbital. Okay, so carbon in its excited state, this one s electron, that is 2s electron, will be transferred towards the 2p, that is higher orbital. So its excited state electronic configuration will be like this: 1s2, 2s1 and 2p3. This single electron from 2s orbital will be transferred towards the 2p orbital when the carbon undergoes in the excited state to form the molecule. Okay, so it will be like this: 2p3, and this is 1s2, 2s1 and 2p3. So this is the basic electronic configuration in its excited state. So as you can see, this carbon has 4 atoms attached to it. This carbon has 4 atoms attached to it, that is 3 hydrogen and 1 chlorine. So what happens in this to form a hybridized orbital? In this, 1 s orbital and 3 p orbitals combine to form a new orbital, which is called the hybridized orbital. So the new orbital will be sp3 hybridized orbital, sp3 hybridized orbital. So what happens to form the molecule? As you can see, carbon has 4 atoms attached to it. So to form the molecule like haloalkane, this carbon undergoes the hybridization as its 1 s orbital and 3 p orbitals combined to form 4 sp3 orbitals. Okay, it's 1 s orbital and 3 p orbitals combined to form the 4 sp3 orbitals, and these orbitals have same type of energy, similar energy and similar shape. Okay, so these 4 orbitals have similar energy and similar shape. So what happens in the hybridization? 1 s orbital and 3 p orbital undergoes hybridization, takes part in the hybridization and form sp3 hybridized orbital. So carbon in the haloalkane, or we can say alkyl halides, are sp3 hybridized. So carbon in the haloalkanes or alkyl halides are sp3 hybridized. I hope you understand how carbon in the haloalkane or alkyl halide is sp3 hybridized. So the carbon will be the sp3 hybridized carbon. Okay, because in this 1 s orbital, that is 2s orbital, and 3 p orbital, that is 2 p orbital. So 1 s orbital and 3 p orbital takes part in the hybridization and form 4 new sp3 hybridized orbital. Okay, because there are 4 orbitals which are taking part in the reaction, in the hybridization. So the new orbitals will be in the same number. So 4 orbitals taking part in the hybridization. So 4 new sp3 hybridized orbital will form of similar energies. Okay, these 4 orbitals have similar energies. So the hybridization in the alkyl halides, the carbon hybridization is sp3 hybridization. So this is it for this question, guys. So carbon attached to the halogen atom is sp3 hybridized. So thank you, guys.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.